Hi, everybody. A very good afternoon, good evening. In fact, I'm Jashin Kapani. I'm the founder and CEO of Amdecon Design. We're in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions. I hope you're having a good time and a good weekend. So, cheers to you on a lovely Coke. Fun, enjoyable, useful, specifically in this weather when there is, because of the weather and the smog or fog or whatever, I mean, the sun is not out. So you have a little bit of, at least people like me and a few other people I know have got nausea and stuff. So advisable is to not have too many medicines and stuff. Be in touch with your doctors and have something like this, which is going to help you, or maybe a fresh lime soda, or with black salt and stuff and all that, and the Dadima nuskas and stuff. So I'm the founder and CEO of Amdecon Design. We're in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions. And I'm wanting to give you a tip. I've been sharing this for the last 2-3 days that declutter is easy. You got to learn decluttering. It makes daily life and everyday life pretty easy and manageable and stuff. You are more organized. And the point is that you have to learn this one tip, which is, or the rational, or this is this term that I have, which is called the poop rule. So, what is that? So, the poop rule is that, let's say you have certain you have certain linen that you're using, or certain towels that you're using, or certain fabrics, or mops, or you're using these you're using stuff to clean up your house, maybe a cloth to dust your room, or you have, let's say, clothes which have got stains on them and stuff like that. You've got jackets and stuff that have got stains, or socks which are dirty or torn and they've got like stains and stuff. You've got mufflers, you've got table sheets, or you've got like whatever stuff you have in the house. So if they've got stains or if they've got spots and stuff, there's a slang that I use, which is a poop thing. So just like you would have, you would not like me to explain the word, right? So the point is this, that if you have those on these elements and components and stuff, try and do away with those and try and replace them with fresh stuff, because life becomes a lot easier. Sorry, excuse me. Life becomes a lot easier. It's easy to maintain. These fabrics have a fresh look and stuff. You have new jackets, new clothes, new mops, new linen, new towels, new table sheets, new pillow covers, or whatever. And when you have new stuff replaced, I mean, you have new stuff replacing the old stuff, then, maintenance costs and everything also goes down. So try and convince people and families and stuff. There are reservations that certain family people may have, because they may have some emotional values, or they don't see the sense of the logic in replacing those. But if you can convince them, and if you can do this yourself as a guy or a lady, a man or a woman, or as a youth or whatever, take charge of this, because you see, look at this now. An example is this pullover looks so nice and clean and stuff. So you wouldn't like me. You would like anybody to be seeing something in spots and stuff. So try and inculcate this habit and extend it to your rooms and your offices and spaces and stuff. And of course, because we have nature, I've got this beautiful planter thingy here. I just planted this last night. So try and include lots of greenery and stuff and place them in spots. So what happens is, when you wake up in the morning and you see that there is this gray sky and everything, you need to kind of have something which kind of gives you energy and makes you feel alive and good. So there are so many plants. I mean, if you were to step out and if you were going to explore the lawns and the neighborhoods and the parks or the nurseries, you're going to find plants which are going to come in different shapes and sizes and stuff. Let me show you another one that I have here. And this is one of my favorites. What I love about this is the beautiful greenery and everything, and the beautiful design on this. And looking in this, I could extend this. If you know the concept of the tiny homes and the big homes and stuff, you could actually have maybe a leaf, kind of an arch or a backdrop given to your beds, or you can have maybe a palette, a wooden palette in the house for your curtains and stuff, or arches or shapes or whatever. So it's so easy to extend, and you can extend this to so many things, I mean, cushion covers and trays and everything is basic, but yes, of course, a bed, or probably, like I've already explained, the ceiling of a room, or maybe the lobby has this, or the dome or whatever has this and stuff. So two concepts here. So hope you're having fun and you're having a blast. Try and get more of greenery and stuff, because it certainly feels good. And the tip is this, that music is something which plants respond to. I'm sure a lot of people know this, but let me also let me also inform you this, that plants definitely respond to good music and stuff. So if you listen to jazz, there's a certain response. If you have some sitar playing, some violin playing, or some high vibrational music playing and stuff, plants definitely respond to those and stuff. And this is stuff which is actually for music lovers. Because music helps, and it's not just human beings who respond to music; it's plants and animals and stuff. So you'll notice this, that plants which are basically green and fresh and stuff like that. Obviously, they are being maintained, but also in this poop thing, you could include doing away with the plants which have got kind of these yellowish. जैसे कहते हैं ना, प्लांट जब जल जाता है तब, so try and have fresh plants, and you don't have to throw away the whole gamla or the plant or whatever. Just kind of make sure that the green part of it remains, and the brown and the galawa portion goes away. And how to maintain those is, you have those sprinkling bottles and stuff. So you use those, put some water in it, and you can very easily spray, wherever the plants are and stuff. And you can actually use fabric to clean the top of your plants, like this detailed one I have here. So I don't have to necessarily, if I don't have a park, I don't have to use, what do you call this? Yeah, a tube to kind of throw water at this and stuff. If I'm home, I can just do a little bit of spray and stuff, and just clean. Place them on on a floor, and have all of those assembled, and sprinkle some water and stuff, and you're sorted. Okay. So love and luck, and take care. Have fun. Have a blast, and enjoy yourself. It's a weekend, so hoping to see you soon, and wishing everybody a great start to the weekend and stuff. Rock it, kick it, love it, enjoy it. And of course, cheers once again. And thank you for writing in, and thank you for all your messages and everything and all that. So have fun and have a blast. And again, leaving you on this note, remember to stay hydrated and have more of these beverages which help you kind of maintain your gas component and stuff, and the chuckers and everything, which is the weather. Okay. So love and luck, and stay warm, have fun, and call your doctor. Love and luck. I'm jkapani@gmail.com, jashinkapani.im@gmail.com, and jashinkapani office@gmail.com. Step out, enjoy the weather. It's not that bad. Go for a walk, sleep off, recharge your batteries, and do join us tomorrow if you can at the Delhi Rum Circle. It's already mentioned there on my social media page. You can follow me there, because a lot of people ask me about this. So it's there. Join in, and you are free to come in. It's a free thingy. Whether you have an instrument or not doesn't matter. You can just join in for the fun, because it's actually an exclusive quality place, and it's super fun, and pretty easily reachable and stuff, because at least for a person like me from Noida, it doesn't take more than half an hour. And I'm sure people who are coming from the other parts of the city can make use of the metro and stuff like that. So have fun, and have a blast. And yes, of course, there's another one. See, these plants, they look so amazing, and these are these natural ones here. So this is another one. So you try and have plants which are kind of easy to maintain and stuff, like these ones. These are the regular ones. All you need is just water, and there is nothing known as poop, which is mud, or mitti jisko kehte hain Hindi mein. You don't have to do all of that. Okay. So life becomes a lot easier. Maintaining these becomes a lot easier. So have fun and have a blast, and enjoy yourself, and Hakuna Matata, and that's it. I think that should be good. And yes, of course, you can use colorful containers and stuff like that. So leaving you on this note, wishing everybody a great weekend and stuff. And of course, try and have more lighting in the hallways and the entries of your homes, because once you come from outside, you definitely want good energy, and for that you have to have good lighting and stuff like that. Try and get your family also into this thing about good lighting and stuff, because many people don't understand that in winters or otherwise also when you're reading or watching TV and stuff, and in this weather definitely there are these blues and stuff like that. And I would not want to use the word depression, but yes, that's what happens when the weather is all gray and gloomy and stuff. So good music, great weather, clean clothes, perfumes, good aromas, beverages, and of course exercising.